Blockchain technology is a revolutionary way of securely storing and sharing information. In simple terms, blockchain is a distributed database that allows multiple parties to access the same information without the need for a central authority. The benefits of blockchain are numerous, including transparency, security, and efficiency. Blockchain has already been used to solve complex problems in industries such as finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. However, blockchain is not without its challenges, including scalability and regulatory issues. These challenges are being addressed by developers and policymakers, and the potential future applications of blockchain are vast. The future of blockchain is bright, with emerging trends such as decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens already gaining traction. In this video, we've covered the basics of blockchain technology, its benefits and challenges, and the potential future applications of this exciting technology. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.